Yeah, so Sunday night, what time is it? It's 10:30. God, I thought it was earlier. So I'm in our office at Leakbusters. We're a plumbing company, but we also make gin. Big Mandalorian fan, big Star Wars fan. If you follow us on social media, you'll see that most of our videos are really upbeat. They're fun, we're punchy. You know, we try to make it enjoyable. Really, it's not just for you. That's also for us, because we actually enjoy being silly and talking nonsense. I'm the king of it for anyone that knows me. This is a difficult one to make because I don't describe it really. Just sat behind our stills. We've got hand Solo up there, hand Solo in carbonite. This was given to me today. It's a fortune cat for some luck that I might need for tomorrow. I've got a 6-year-old boy, Tristan. So yeah, what's the purpose of this video? So tomorrow, the reason I'm here so late, tomorrow we've got a really big meeting. I can't say who it is or what it's for, but it's related to obviously our old bakery gin business. But it's to do with whiskey. So where do I start? So the English whiskey market is a new market, a relatively new market. It's certainly starting to grow, starting to get some traction. People are starting to take it seriously. There's some great players in the market producing some fantastic whiskies. So we've been working on for quite a while. I think we're nearly there. So before I sort of show you what we've been working on, as I said, it's not an upbeat, punchy video. I'm actually, anyone that knows me, I'm fairly confident and reasonably robust. I'm actually quite nervous for tomorrow, which I guess is obviously a good thing. So I'd like to thank Alan at Jerry's. So I mean, since we've started in the 5 years that we've been doing it, I mean, we've got the House of Lords. Our gin is served on Whitehall. We've done stuff with NATO. These are 2 brand new products. So this got a picture of my dad on both. So this is an English Royal Spritzer. Serve it with soda water and a big slice of orange. You know what that is. Here's our summer cup, or Royal Summer Cup. Both of those drinks have been served to the royal members of the royal family in Whitehall. I keep saying on Whitehall, in Whitehall. But I wanted to thank Alan at Jerry's for really supporting us from day one and just always being totally honest, really. And when he needs to tell us off or just say something's not quite right or it's really not right, and we have had those conversations, he's always so nice about it. So we really appreciate it. Obviously, huge thanks to Harrods and Fortnum & Masons, who also supported us from day one. So, you know, back to whiskey. So, you know, I don't feel upbeat about making this this video. So what we've got is we have created an English single malt whiskey using 3 different types of I'm not going to say what they are at the moment. After tomorrow's meeting, I might be able to. So we've got three different types of grain in there, and they've all been mixed together, and they've been distilled not individually but collectively, all 3 grains together, rather than doing them individually and then mixing them, which is what a lot of people do. Was that the most optional one? I haven't got a clue. We've never done it before, but we wanted to try and do it, and what we believe we've created is it's just exceptional. And then what we've done is we've finished. So this is a little sample that I'm taking to the meeting tomorrow. We've actually finished the single English single malt whiskey in one of our smaller barrels, which has got a 10-year-old Cuban rum. It's fantastic. I mean, the rum's delicious on its own anyway. So the problem is getting the right amount of time for the whiskey to age and finish in the rum cask. If you leave it too long, it becomes slightly sweet. Well, then it's more of a bourbon-esque type drink, perhaps like an Irish whiskey. We don't want that. We're looking for a really smooth, simple sipping whiskey that you might add maybe 1 piece of ice to, but really just best drunk neat. And I think we've achieved that. I'm really confident that we've achieved that. But more to follow after tomorrow's meeting. So I've just been sitting here just tweaking with it. I mean, I don't know why. I didn't need to do that, but I felt I should really. And probably not the best palate, because obviously I'm rinsing my mouth out with water, rich tea biscuits and cups of tea from my Duran mug. So, fingers crossed for tomorrow. But I just thought I'd put it on everyone's radar really, that we do have an English single malt whiskey coming. There's not a lot, so it's unfortunately going to be incredibly expensive. We want to make this work, and we want it to be really, really special. And as you can see just behind me, my little boy, little Tristan, has bought me a little Happy Fortune cat from Chinatown. So today we had to drive to Chinatown to get it because he just wanted to help me. So I'm really, really grateful to that. I love being a dad. So yeah, when I can report back with some more information on the whiskey, I will do. But I think we're nearly there, and fingers crossed. And thank you to everyone that supports us, really. Whether you buy lots of bottles or one bottle occasionally, we really wouldn't be here without you. So thank you so much for supporting us on our little journey, and onwards and upwards with a English single malt whiskey. Cheerio, I'm going to drink my tea. Thank you for watching.